Welcome to our new video. I ensure that you can able to understand my voice. I think if you don't able to understand my voice, then please give a comment. Okay. So now today I will show you the best 5 CP marketing and affiliate marketing promoting network. Sorry, network not actual forums. Today I will talk about forum marketing. Do you know what is forum marketing? Here people can post on their forums and they can make money for those forums. So today I will show you 5 forums for promoting CPA and affiliate offers. People are making thousands of dollars by working on those forums, and this forum is one of the oldest forums in internet, I think, and many of the people are using this. I think you will also able to get help from those forums, and it will increase your earning. So please ensure that you are able to understand my voice quality. Please give a comment if you can understand it, and subscribe to our channel. So many people don't talk about it very much because forum marketing is not very famous in India or any other country, but some of the countries the forum marketings are very famous, and people are making many money without it. And today the 5 forums is first Wicked Fire. Okay, I am going for Google for. So when you will search it, you have to visit this website wickedfire.com. So this is the website. You have to register on the account. Okay, so the first forum is that, and the second forum is look like this. You can see many people are posting at here orinform.com. You can so many people are here, and you have to sign up for. You can sign up with Facebook or Google, but I will use this for email and password because I don't want to allow any other Gmail or Facebook for this type of website. I also noticed that you should also not continue with Google or continue with Facebook. Create account with username, email and password. Don't share your Facebook data and Google data with those type of networks. So Warrior Farm is also a famous network. You can see 1 million plus members and 8 million plus post-its. Their ads are many ads. So third network, the Fastland Forum. The Fastland Forum is also a old forum networks. Forum networks have a paid monthly and free monthly. So you should use the free for beginner, and those forum like STM forum. This is also a paid forum, and AWEBER. This is also a paid forum. Yes, I think I have told you the wrong. Okay, Mad Society. Sorry, Mad Society. This website name is Mad Society Forum. Okay, this website also a paid forum network. Those two, and when you are a beginner, you should work on these three first. Those three forums are very famous for beginners, and you can work at here. And the last two, on the STM forum you can get premium level people for promoting, and premium level buyer for affiliate marketer and CPA marketing. So only make videos about CPA marketing very much on my channel, you can see. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video. I will make those type of video on very much on the next days. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video. Subscribe to my channel and like the video if you have got any single experience from this video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.